Hello, my name is Vaishali Ajbale and today's date is 13th Feb 2024 and today our topic is encapsulation in Java. So what is encapsulation? So encapsulation is the main OOPS concept in Java. So there are four different OOPS concept in Java. First is the inheritance. So what is inheritance? Inheritance is the mechanism in which one class inherits the property of the another class. Then polymorphism. Polymorphism is mechanism in which same object name but its behavior is different. Then third one is the abstraction. Abstraction means the hiding the necessary data from the user. Then fourth one and our main topic is the encapsulation. So encapsulation, basically the encapsulation is the wrapping up or the binding or bundling of the data into the single unit. The encapsulation is a mechanism through in which we can wrapping the data member and the member methods of a class into the single unit called the encapsulation. Then there are two main rules for implementing the encapsulation. There are two rules. So for implementing the data encapsulation in the Java, declare the class variable as a private. We cannot declare the class variable as public, protected or default. Then second is the declare the class methods as a public, because for the accessibility of the method, declare the class method as the public. Then let us say one example of the encapsulation is the capsule. In the capsule multiple medicines are present. So in the capsule let us say our example. In the capsule, variable and methods are present in one class. So form a capsule. So it is the encapsulation. Encapsulation is the combination of the data hiding and the data abstraction. Let us say one example of the encapsulation. So we have one class called the toy box. So inside the toy box, the number of toys are present. So number of toys are the number of toys are the variable. So in the class, the variable and methods are present. So we have to create the methods. We have to create methods like the add toy and remove toy. So in this example, so the variable is the number of toys and the different methods are the add toy and remove toy. So it is combination of the variable and method. So it is encapsulation. Thank you.